At Think Together, our corporate partners play an essential role in helping us change the odds for kids across California. These partnerships go far beyond funding. They bring innovation, expertise, and a shared commitment to creating brighter futures. Together, we're helping students build the skills and confidence they need to succeed in school, career, and life.
Think Together is able to leverage really impactful community partnerships, like the partnership that we have with AT&T. And it's through those partnerships that we're able to bring new programs to our students, one of which being the Achievery.
I think what I like most about the Achievery is that it asks really in-depth questions or prompts to give to other students. That is honestly my favorite part because I love being able to hear other people's perspectives. I always love hearing what other people think and their thoughts. And I think that is my favorite part about the Achievery.
I'm very thankful for Boeing because of, well, everything. Being able to have resources and things to help us better ourselves in whatever field we are willing to take in the future. I'm just very thankful that we're able to get that opportunity.
I think that Think Together opens up the opportunities in STEM for students by merely just exposing them to what's out there. I think growing up in a community like this, our students don't have a lot of experiences with other adults who have experience in different fields in STEM. Our students, I feel like, are getting ahead of the game in a sense by having the opportunity to explore things like that.
Corporate partners help us create opportunities that wouldn't exist otherwise. They volunteer in classrooms and career fairs, mentor students, and share their professional experiences. They help us design programs that connect learning to real-world applications, like coding with Sphero robots, exploring healthcare careers, or learning about clean energy and financial literacy.
Recognize the importance of investing in comprehensive programs in staff development and technology to create an immediate and long-term impact for generations. And we deeply value the commitment Think Together has to work with our districts to invest in each student's education so that they can thrive.
Kaiser Permanente has been an incredible partner in advancing both student wellness and workforce readiness. Through their generous support, we're helping students and staff build environments rooted in understanding, healing, and resilience. With State Farm, it's about long-standing commitment and safety in action. Their support over the years has helped us deliver safe driving and workforce readiness education programs that teach students safe driving behaviors, responsibility, and confidence behind the wheel. Bank of America has been a powerful partner in workforce readiness and career exploration. Their support helps students understand the skills they need to succeed in the 21st century workforce, from financial literacy to entrepreneurship.
Our partnership with Bank of America has provided our students with extra opportunities such as paid internships through Think Together. Students are able to volunteer at the elementary level and also receive a paid internship through it.
PNC and Think Together place a value on the importance of early childhood education, and we're so excited to support their home child care centers, which are teaching our youngest residents from birth to age 5 the importance of education and really getting them off to a good start where they can enter school and life prepared to excel.
Our friends at Edison International have helped spark a love of STEM through hands-on experiences such as our Sphero robotics curriculum. These programs bring coding, creativity, and critical thinking to life in after-school classrooms across the state. This year, we're especially proud to celebrate Edison's commitment during Lights On After School, a national campaign shining a light on the power of expanded learning. When businesses invest in education, they're investing in the future of our communities. We're grateful to our corporate partners who believe, like we do, that every child deserves the opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive.